Hi students, welcome to our online biology class. Last day I gave you one homework based on global warming. I hope all the students had done that work. So what is the reason for the global warming? Yes, it is because the level of carbon dioxide, methane gases increases. How we can compensate the level of carbon dioxide? Yes, it is by plants. So our first chapter is protectors of biosphere. That means protecting the living organism. In the first page of this chapter, you can see a poster designed by Sangeet. And he drawn this poster in a competition based on the message Save Earth from Global Warming. And in that poster also there is a message. Let us unite to regain our green earth. You can see in that picture that half the portion is greenish and half there is no plants. If it continues like this, the whole living organism will affect badly. So the main aim of this chapter is to conserve and protect our plants. So green plants are the chief producers on the nature. For the existence of life, the green plants plays a major role. How the green plants are helping? Now we can look that one. We know that in the atmosphere, more number of carbon dioxide are present. And these carbon dioxide are absorbed by the green plants. And the green plants releases oxygen to the atmosphere. And these oxygens are accepted by both the living organism, plants and animals. And what do the plants and animals release? And they too releases, the living organisms releases carbon dioxide, and these carbon dioxide moves to the green plants. This is a cycling process. So the plants are the chief producers on earth. In the next page you can see some indicators. 4 indicators are there. The question is, why doesn't the level of oxygen in the atmosphere decreases? Here the answer is, the oxygen required for the subsistence in earth obtained through photosynthesis. Second question, why doesn't the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases? Because the plants absorb carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Third question, which process in the plants regulate the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? Which process? It is by photosynthesis. List out the factors other than carbon dioxide that are required for photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, what all things are required? Mainly it required water, minerals, salt, sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, now look at the picture. The girl is looking at the plant. She is asking a doubt. Why the leaves, the upper part of the leaves have more color than the lower part? I think when you also observe the plant, you also feel the same doubt. Why the upper portion is more green than the lower part? We all know that it is the chlorophyll which imparts green color to the leaves. So, the chlorophyll, the pigment chlorophyll is more in number in the upper part than the lower part. This is the leaf. You can see this is the upper, this is called the upper epidermis and this is called the lower epidermis. In between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis, you can see the mesophyll cells. The structure of the leaves are: the leaf contain upper epidermis and lower epidermis. This is a structure. It contains upper epidermis and lower epidermis. And these epidermis are covered by a protective layer called cuticle. This is called the upper epidermis. Lower epidermis. And in the lower epidermis, we can see stomata. Here also we can see cuticle. And in between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis, we can see chloroplast and also some spaces are also seen. This is called the chloroplast. And in the leaves, in the lower epidermis only, we can see stomata. This is the structure of the leaf. Only this much for today. Hope you have understood this much portion. Before winding up the class, I will give you 2 or 3 questions. How oxygen carbon dioxide balancing in the atmosphere take place? Second question, you have to write from the indicator. Already I have given the answer. Only this much for today. Thanks for watching the video.